Hello YouTubers, welcome to my NetSec channel. This is Johnny. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to install an OpenSpeedTest Docker into your home environment and use it to troubleshooting your network speed issue. This is pure HTML5 network performance estimation tool, and it can test your network speed until like 30 Gbps. The install instruction is simple, just one command. I'm gonna show you how to use Potainer to do that. It also provides a OpenSpeedTest internet website. You can use it, test your home internet speed. The reason why I need to install this OpenSpeedTest Docker into my home environment to do testing, that is because when you do internet speed testing, if you figured out something wrong, it may be relating to your home network, as I show you here. Usually when we use speedtest.com or fast.com to do speed test, we are going to internet and find out the speed. But if there's some problem on your home network, how can you work on to figure this out? In my previous video, I had instruction for iPerf3 to install in your home environment, which it can use to test your home network speed, intranet speed, but it requires a software installation. You need a client on your machine and you need a server on another machine, then you can have full speed testing. So for OpenSpeedTest Docker, which makes things much simple, you just need to install into your Docker host and then using your browser to browse to the page, and then you will get your speed testing for downloading and uploading. In that way, you can know how your home network looks like. Is there anything wrong on your home network before you can test your internet speed? Let's start to install this OpenSpeedTest Docker. This is my Docker server. Right now I have Potainer running on it. Docker version. Since I already have Potainer installed, so we can use Potainer to do installation. If you want to make it simple, you also can just copy the command line, paste to here, and enter, and then you should be able to get it up and running in a couple of minutes. This is my Potainer web GUI. So we are managing our local server. So right now we only have Potainer here. Let's add a container. So we're gonna name it OpenSpeedTest. So we're gonna pull a Docker image from OpenSpeedTest/latest, which you can find from here. You can pull this image. We need to publish new network port. If we are using HTTP, that's 3000. I'm gonna map to 3000 as well. It's a TCP port. If you're using HTTPS, then we can use 3001 and map to 3001. For restart policy, we can keep it running unless we stop it. So that's the only thing we need to configure: the port, restart policy, and the Docker image. Click deploy the container. In a minute, the Docker OpenSpeedTest should be up and running. So we can open port 3000 to take a look. So we are using .8. So right now I'm using wireless connection connect to the Docker. So it's about 150, 170 Mbps. Similar speed for the uploading as well. So we test the downloading and then I'll test uploading, which seems fine. The ping is 5 milliseconds. Jitter is 0 millisecond. We're gonna test our Windows from Windows 11 server, which has a wired connection to our switch. As I show you in the diagram, this is Windows machine. I was testing from my laptop, which goes to wireless router, and then come to the Docker. So we got the 160 Mbps uploading and downloading around that. Then now we're gonna use wired computer to do testing. So it can be easily get around 970, 980 Mbps, very close to 1001 Gbps. Uploading should be similar. The result is accurate. And if your network has problem, then it should be able to find it for you. As I will show you here, I have another machine which is also wired machine, but when I do testing, you can tell I only get around half of the line speed. It's not not even close to 1000. It's around 600 Mbps, but for the uploading is 900 Mbps. In that way, I know there's something settings configured for this server which causing the downloading speed got a little bit more than half of the speed supposed to be. So in this case, you know where the problem it is, and then you can go to internet from there. After you tested your internal home speed, then you can test your internet speed. Using the same way, we also can build our own speed test website. So this is my cloud Docker server. I have put OpenSpeedTest Docker into this server, same as I did in my local Docker server. One thing you may want to do is you need to create a reverse proxy entry for your website. That is what I did. So I basically am telling my reverse proxy server nginx anything coming for speedtest.51sec.eu.org, they will automatically send to OpenSpeedTest Docker on port 3000. You also need to create a DNS entry for speed test, as I did here. This is the IP I'm using. So basically, we are telling DNS entry go to IP address to looking for the service. After that, you will have speedtest.51sec.eu.org is free and it's your own speed test website. This is only testing from your local machine to your Docker server. The speed is only reflecting between your Docker server to your client machine. So it may not completely reflecting your internet speed, since your Docker server or your VPS might have limitation for the speed. So here you can see the download speed is 65.8 Mbps, which is only 1/3 of my internet speed. So that is because my VPS has some limitation on inbound speed. But that also gives you kind of idea how fast your Docker server can provide it. That's pretty much everything I want to show you in this episode. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe it